fresh microwave popcorn, tasty. So this is what we're gonna be making today. So I'm just gonna move it from its wrapper, and it says cautions, very hot steam, open bag carefully away from face, this side up. So this is the side that we're gonna put in the microwave. We're gonna put it like that in the microwave, okay? And then it says set time for 2 minutes and 30 seconds on high. All right, let's do this. So we're gonna go for 2 minutes. Still going on. Okay. Let's get it on. Ooh, it's very hot. And there you have it. 2 minutes popcorn, and it's all ready. It's very nice. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and put your notification button on so that you know when I'm uploading another video. Thank you. I'll see you later. Bye.